as a busy business owner, there are so many platforms pulling you in all different directions. Instagram, Pinterest, Facebook, those are some of the biggest heavy hitters a lot of experts tell you to be on. But YouTube is your secret sleeper platform that's really going to help you grow your business and your revenue. Hi, my name is Trena, and on this channel, I help creative entrepreneurs like you get on YouTube to grow your business. Now, if we started a business, you're obviously trying to grow it in some sort, and you're trying to find the most effective way to grow it, which platform, which emails. And you hear me talk all the time about YouTube and how it's this great platform, but you're probably wondering, Trena, that's cool and all, but how am I gonna make money from this? What exactly is the ROI I'm gonna get if I put it into YouTube? You got bills to pay. I totally understand. So let me break it down for you how you can create videos for YouTube to grow your business, reach your audience, and make more money. The first thing you gotta do is don't just make videos to make videos. Yes, people may ask you questions, and yes, you may get email questions, but make sure these videos are actually going to perform well on YouTube. Now, if you want to see how I validate my video ideas, check the video that I have suggested on the card popping out right now. You've got to do a little bit of research and see what's working on YouTube, what thumbnails are working, what titles are working to really position that video to really get the most out of that one video that you do. You got to do the research ahead of time. So if you want to save time, this is the first step you've got to do. The second thing is to don't get wrapped up into subscriber numbers. That number is really on YouTube just a vanity number. What YouTube is concentrating on and deciding whether or not to promote and suggest your videos is views and watch time, and more specifically, audience retention. So don't get wrapped up on how many subscribers you have. Get wrapped up in how you can create better videos to increase your audience retention. Again, I have a video on audience retention if you want that broken down to understand how you can get that key performance metric of 50% at the end of your video to really see your channel skyrocket. Again, this is what I'm sharing to help you get the most bang for your buck out of YouTube, because you don't want to waste your time on platforms that aren't going to give you something back. The next thing to do on YouTube is use your opt-in, but use it wisely. You've got to play nicely with YouTube. YouTube wants people to stay on the platform and watch more content, because people then watch more ads and they make more money. So in every video that you create, you don't want to be sending people off the platform consistently. What you want to do is create one opt-in specifically to use on YouTube. This way, once you have that person's email, you already have it. You don't have to create new opt-ins for every single video, and so you're pushing people off the platform every single video. Create just one opt-in. For me, I use the YouTube roadmap that you can grab at the link above. And so I just have one singular opt-in specifically for YouTube. Here's another thing. You don't want to be pitching people in every single video. Don't pitch them your services. Don't pitch them your webinar. Don't pitch them your free challenge. You want to do this strategically. People aren't going to YouTube to constantly be pitched to. So when they hear it, it's kind of like, what's going on? And it could cause them not to come back to your channel. So what you want to do is pitch them when it is right. Every 3 to 4 videos, or if you're creating a playlist, pitch them at the end of that playlist. I like to gear up for my launches by having videos revolving around my launch. And then at the end of that series, say after 4 or 5 videos around one specific topic, I then have a video dedicated just for pitching my program or the webinar that I'm hosting. You don't want to be pitching a webinar in every single video. It just does not work on YouTube. Now you can link your opt-in in the description box below. And if you have 4,000 watch time hours and 1,000 YouTube subscribers, you can also add a cute little tag or link right up here that sends people to your opt-in. But if you do not have monetization enabled yet, you can put it down in the description box. One little secret tip for you is to create a bit.ly link to put down in the description box if you aren't able to link to your associated website yet. Now just use this bit.ly link in your YouTube videos, because then you can track how many clicks you're getting. Then you can really validate, is YouTube worth your time? Are you getting clicks? Are you getting valuable leads from YouTube by tracking that bit.ly link? Now this is really important if you want to use YouTube You have got to have a strategy. You can't just throw videos up and expect it to convert. If that's what you're doing and YouTube isn't working for you, that's probably the reason why. You've got to have a strategy behind your videos. First, you've got to really focus in on a specific niche. So for me, I'm teaching business owners how to use YouTube. So I'm creating a lot of content about YouTube. I'm not creating content about my meal plan. I'm not creating content about exercising. I do have videos about that, but I've been on YouTube in this niche for over 2 years now. So I've got a lot of content in my content library to share. If you're just getting started and you want to see that traction, you've got to focus on your specific niche. Also with strategy, you can start to map out your launch strategy by using YouTube videos. A lot of times we use our blog posts or our Instagram posts as our launch strategy, but think about how you can take those posts and incorporate them into videos and sharing them across your platforms. People are then able to connect with you as a person, your personality, your teaching styles, and it'll be much more easier to convert them to the sale by having video for them to watch and get to know you better. Which leads me into this point. Video allows people to get to know you. Nobody's gonna buy or work with anybody that they don't know. So YouTube is going to help you convert leads quicker and much easier. You're not going to have to spend that extra time on the phone or that extra time tweaking that proposal because they've already watched YouTube videos. They already know you're an expert. They already know how you teach, and they're going to be lining up to sign up and work with you by using YouTube. So if your business isn't on YouTube yet, what are you waiting for? Why are you missing out on this amazing opportunity? Now, if you want to get your YouTube channel launched the right way, make sure you grab my roadmap that I have linked right up above right now because it's going to walk you through the 10 easy steps you need to do to make sure your channel has all of this in place to start attracting your ideal client. And if you need more strategies on how you can make your YouTube channel look better, click the playlist that I have linked on your screen right now, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel by clicking that little circle picture of me because I'm giving you new tips and strategies every day of the week here on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.